In the late 1960s, U.S. Air Force combat pilots and engineers began to question the direction of fighter design. Aircraft like the F-4 Phantom were powerful but heavy, complex, and expensive. Combat experience in Vietnam showed that dogfights often came down to maneuverability, visibility, and pilot skill, not just radar and missiles. A group of visionary engineers and pilots, nicknamed the Fighter Mafia, led by Col. John Boyd, Pierre Spree, and others, argued for a new kind of jet. Lightweight and agile, simple and affordable, focused on energy maneuverability theory, Boyd's concept. The U.S. Air Force reluctantly agreed to test the idea through the Lightweight Fighter (LWF) program. Birth of the F-16 1972 to 1978. Two prototypes were built, YF-16 by General Dynamics, YF-17 by Northrop. In 1974, the YF-16 first took flight, by accident. During a high-speed taxi test pilot Phil Eastricher lost control and had to take off to avoid disaster. The jet flew beautifully, and soon the Air Force knew it had something special. After evaluations, the YF-16 won the competition in 1975 due to its superior agility, powerful Pratt & Whitney F-100 engine, advanced fly-by-wire control system, a first for a production fighter, bubble canopy for all-around visibility. The first production model, the F-16A Fighting Falcon, entered service in 1978. Global success and evolution, 1980s-2000s. The F-16 quickly became one of the most exported fighter jets in history. NATO allies and dozens of countries adopted it, including Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, Norway, Israel, Turkey, Egypt, and later many others. It evolved through multiple blocks versions. F-16A-B, original lightweight fighter. F-16C-D, upgraded avionics, radar, night capability. Block 50-50 seconds, modernized for precision strike and SAAD, suppression of enemy air defenses. F-16V, Viper, 21st century upgrade with AESA radar and modern cockpit. Although officially nicknamed Fighting Falcon, pilots affectionately call it the Viper, a name inspired by the Battlestar Galactica TV series and its sleek look. Combat record. The F-16 has seen decades of frontline combat. Israel, used extensively since 1981, Osirak nuclear reactor strike, Lebanon conflicts, Gaza operations. U.S. Air Force Operation Desert Storm, 1991, Kosovo, 1999, Iraq and Afghanistan. Others, Turkey, Pakistan, Greece, and many others have used it in regional conflicts. Its combination of speed, Mach 2+, maneuverability, and versatility allows it to excel in air-to-air and air-to-ground missions alike. Legacy and future. Over 4,600 F-16s have been built since production began, and it's still in production today, now by Lockheed Martin, after acquiring General Dynamics Aircraft Division. Despite the arrival of fifth-generation jets like the F-35, the F-16 remains vital worldwide. The F-16 Block 70-70 seconds, F-16V, line continues to roll off new production lines in South Carolina. Many nations are upgrading older fleets with new avionics, radar, and weapons.
Please subscribe to the channel and comment your ideas.